Hello everybody and welcome back. Now we're here on a video on how to create a bucket in AWS. So the simple thing for creating a bucket, you have to go to the AWS website and click create bucket and go to S3 and click create bucket. Okay, now let's go here. Let's get started. We'll type aws.com. Now press to sign into the console. Alright, and then we'll go to services and we'll go to S3. Okay, and now we're right here and we'll press create bucket. And then here it is in bucket name. Okay, and then we'll put the bucket name. We'll put any name. Is what bu- eh? Like that. We'll put what but when it says BUK means bucket. What bucket. So then we'll press next. And wait, my mistake. So here we'll just put it, the region will just put it like here. I'll put next. And we'll now choose anyone. It says keep all versions of an object in the same bucket. Or, well, yep, we'll click that and then we'll press next and set permissions. This is saying that if you want to unblock public access, if you want to make your bucket public, well, we'll just leave it like this, where this is block all public access. Keep it like that. Okay. And there you go. There you go, guys. And there you go. There is the bucket right there. You have the bucket. Okay. And now if there is anything, and now this bucket is empty. So if there is any bucket you might want to put, you can press oh, here says properties, permissions, management, access points, and you can press create folder or upload. And here are the actions. These are the actions: download as, get total size, restore, and make public. Like you can make one of the files in your bucket, in your AWS bucket, public. Okay, so here is that you can create a folder or upload a file. So we're gonna upload a file, and then we'll go here and and we put ne next, we'll put next upload or next. So all we'll put is upload. And there you go. You have it right there. And there is the link. Okay. Oh. And there you go, guys. You have the link. Thanks for watching.